Who will do the recitation of Holy Quran? Nobody? Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. Today we are going to do review about money. You already done money. आप लोगों ने money पहले भी किया था. So we are going to do review it and then we will do some exercise. Okay. Now let's see. I'm going to share your screen. Okay, can you see it? Can you see it, beta? Can you see it?
No, miss.
You can't see
No.
the screen? There is an SGHS
Yes.
written on it.
Yes.
नजर आ रहा है?
Yes.
अच्छा, now let's
Yes.
start. Now this is all about money. We already done money before also. At that time when the money was not invented, the people usually exchange the thing with the other thing, and that is called barter system. Now look at here. This is money that we usually use in our daily life. When we want to buy anything, we give the money to the shopkeeper or the person, and we take the things that whatever we need. Now there are so many notes, there are so many currencies. You can see every country had different types of currency. ठीक है? हर country की अलग-अलग currency होती है. And the currency that you are using in our country, we are using in our country, is not going to use in any other country. वो currency जो हम अपने यहाँ use कर रहे हैं, वो हम किसी और मुल्क में use नहीं कर सकते. So now look more detail about here. Now these are the types of money. Paper currency we usually use, that is called paper currency. ये currency paper की शक्ल में होती है. And the coins and the coins are made from metal. Now look at here. When the money was not invented at that time, the people used barter system. Do you remember barter system? I already explained it to you. आपको याद है barter system? Zoya, do you remember?
Yes.
Aisha, do you remember barter system? Now Zoya, you tell me what is barter system. What is barter system? The exchange of thing from another thing. Do you remember? याद आया कुछ? चीज के बदले चीज लेते थे. When the money was not invented at that time, the people exchanged their things with another thing. अगर किसी के पास एप्पल है और दूसरे के पास बनाना है, what they will do? They exchange the things from another things. That is called barter system. And then what happened? Barter system means exchange of things from another things, but sometimes it's coincidence. Sometimes the double coincidence of wants. For example, if one person is exchanging apple, but he wants rice, but the other person don't have rice, they have banana. So at that time it creates difficulty. अगर किसी के पास एप्पल है और उसको चाहिए राइस, चावल चाहिए, and the other person has banana only, so at that time they can't exchange the thing. उनकी जो डिमांड होती थी वो पूरी नहीं हो पाती थी, and they can't exchange the thing क्योंकि the other person don't have rice, they have banana. उनके पास बनाना होता था, उनके पास राइस नहीं होता था. वालेकुम अस्सलाम बेटा, वालेकुम अस्सलाम. So is here. So बेटा try to come in time, okay? टाइम पे आया करें ताकि जो हमारा लेक्चर है वो मिस ना हो. ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइम. आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल बट आई एम टेकिंग द क्लास. ना ठीक है ना. देयर वाज अ डिफिकल्टी इन बार्टर सिस्टम बिकॉज people who is demanding the other things is not present to the other person. उस दूसरे इंसान के पास वो चीज नहीं होती थी. So and the other problem is if and the other problem is that if anybody has lack worth of thing, for example, one person want to exchange eggs with the cow. Can they exchange the eggs with the cow? अंडे के बदले काव ले सकते थे? No, because cow worth more. काव की वर्थ कीमत ज्यादा थी और एग की कीमत कम थी. So it's also create problem, lack of common measure of value. Then the people think that they have to invent something that they can buy many things with it and they don't create any problem. तो लोगों ने सोचा क्यों ना हम कोई ऐसी चीज इजाद कर लें कि जिससे हम हर चीज खरीद सकें, उसकी वैल्यू भी कम ना हो, उसकी वर्थ भी कम ना हो और कैरी करना भी आसान हो. So the money was invented. Look at here that picture. The cow worth more. The cow worth more. Cow की वैल्यू ज्यादा है. Then the chicken, then the apple. Now this is the first part of the tutorial that in which I explain about the problems of the barter system and the barter system also. मैंने इस वीडियो में आपको barter system के बारे में बताया. Barter system is that system through which we can exchange thing from another things, but it creates lots of problem. ठीक है ना, उसकी वजह से बहुत सारे problem हुए. So the people think to do some invention through which they can buy many things. Now look at here another video.
जैसे कि आपने बताया था कि एक्सचेंज कर लेते, वैसे इनने काव दी और एक्सचेंज कर लिया.
Now can you see another video? I will show you another video on the screen, the next second part of the money. Okay, now let's see. This is the second part of the money, and in this you will see that how money invented. Now look at your barter system, exchange of things from another thing. Then difficulties in barter system and why the people think about the invention of money. Now the first, when the money was invented, it is made up of metal, it is made up of stones, it is made up of gold, silver. When the money first invented, it was made up of stone, metals, valuable metals. Coins invented. Now look at here more. At that time we have gold coins, silver coins, copper coins. You already heard about in the stories also. आप लोगों ने stories में भी सुना है ना, बादशाह ने सोने के सिक्के दिए, चांदी के सिक्के दिए. And then after the invention of the coins, it's also become difficult for the people also to carry it. उसको carry करना उनके लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता था. Sometimes the thieves stole it from them. चोर डाकू उनसे लूट लेते थे. And it is very difficult to carry such huge and heavy amount of coins. और बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता था इतने सारे coins को उठा के एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाना. So the people thought about the lightest thing. उन्होंने सोचा कोई ऐसी हल्की चीज इजाद करें मनी की जो कि easy to carry. And then the paper currency invented. और उसके बाद paper currency invented. You can keep the paper currency in a huge amount very easily. Okay, this is different countries have different types of currencies. For example, Pakistan currency is known as rupees. ठीक है ना, Pakistani currency is known as rupees. Other countries has their own name. Now look at here. This is 10 rupees note.
जैसे कि
and the short form is PKR. Now this is 20 rupees note. आपके घर में भी होंगे. After this block, then you will see the note, 50 rupees note, then 100 rupees note, and then 500 rupees note, and then 1000 rupees note,
50 rupees note,
and this is 5000 rupees note. ठीक है ना. सबसे बड़ा, सबसे biggest note जो है वो 5000 rupees का है, and the smallest one is 10 rupees note. And we have coins also, 5 rupees coins, 2 rupees coins, 1 rupees coins, and 10 rupees coins. Now look at these coins, metal coins. Beta, again somebody doing this. ये बच्चा क्लास से चला जाने वाला है.
मैंने देखे हुए.
ये बच्चा क्लास से चला जाएगा.
हम लोग नहीं कर रहे.
Now look at here these coins. 5 rupees coins, 1 rupees coins, 2 rupees coins, and 10 rupees coins. आपने देखे ये coins देखे हुए आपने? Have you seen these coins? Now look at here. This is a checkbook. Instead of using currency, आप लोग देखते होंगे मम्मा पापा अक्सर चेकबुक यूज करते हैं पैसे देने की जगह. इट इज अ सेफ वे टू यूज चेक. ठीक है ना. इजी वे है. अगर बहुत सारी मनी आपको कहीं लेके जाना ना पड़े तो यू यूज चेकबुक. Yes. Now look at here. This is a checkbook. And slipbook, you also use slipbook. And this is digital currency, plastic currency. ठीक है ना. ATM card. Most of the people use ATM card, debit card. So this is plastic currency. It is very easy to carry, but you have to take care. इसको बड़ा आसान है कैरी करना. You don't have to take money with you, lot of money with you. You just keep a ATM card or a plastic currency in your pocket, and at the safe side you can go anywhere. आप कहीं भी बगैर पैसे के जा सकते हैं, but you just use this plastic currency. ठीक है ना. आप ATM कार्ड या डिपॉजिट कार्ड या क्रेडिट कार्ड अपने साथ रख लें, but you have to take care. लेकिन उसको ऐसा नहीं कि किसी को दे दिया तो भूल गए लेना. Okay. Now look at here another thing. These are the types of paper currency. Now that's all. The review of money. Now today, do you have a notebook with you? आप लोगों के पास notebook है? Take a notebook and a pencil with you. I'm giving you some sums about division and subtraction. Division and subtraction of money. Now take a copy, notebook with you. I'm going to show you a screen. Now look at here. Can you see it? Can you see?
No.
Addition and subtraction written on it.
No.
आ रहा है ना नजर? कौन कह रहा है no?
No.
You can't see it? Okay, just मुझे तो नजर आ रहा था. आप लोगों को कैसे नजर नहीं आ रहा था? Okay, now let's see again. Can you see now?
मिस पहले आ रहा था.
Can you see now? Can you see now?
Yes.
Now what is
Yes.
written on it?
Yes.
क्या लिखा हुआ है इस पे? What is written on it? Addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. Now note down this. This is rupees 25. Look at here. This is rupees 25 and this is rupees 30. You are going to add it. Now add it. Rupees 25 लिखे first line में, and then in second line write down 30. Sequence में आने चाहिए. The 1 come in 1 line, the 10 come in 10 line. Now do it and tell me your answer. Solve it and tell me your answer.
It's done.
Do it by yourself. Do it. Solve it.
Miss? Miss? It's
No
done.
need to hurry. Just do it. Yes. Who is saying done? Tell me the name. Who is saying done?
Zoya. Zoya.
Zoya.
Are you done?
नंबर 1 देखो RS लिखो RS लिखो
Miss?
Yes, beta.
Miss? 55.
55.
पॉइंट
Miss 55.
Anybody else?
5.
Ahmad Ali is here. Okay, I'm going to write your name also. Ahmad Ali, Ibad, Khizr, Zoya, Isma, and who else? Aisha Kamran, Ammar, Aliza. Ammar, Aliza, Aisha Kamran. Solve it, solve it. Mustajab.
Second answer.
Okay. Done?
Second answer.
So what is the answer? Tell me, what is the answer?
Miss 79.
What is 25 at 30? What is that?
79.
29?
Oh, Miss.
is the answer
No.
Miss,
25.
I plus minus 55.
25 at 30. Beta, look at the sign carefully. That's why you, most of you do that mistake at the time of assessment also. जब assessment हो रहा होता है उस वक्त भी आप लोग ये mistake कर रहे थे. Ahmad Ali, don't go to sleep. Do your work. Ahmad Ali, do your work. Ahmad Ali, you have done it. Now tell me your answer. Do it, Ahmad Ali. देखिए मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है फिर भी मैं आप लोगों की क्लास ले रही हूँ ताकि आप लोगों का कोई चीज मिस ना हो.
Miss. Done, Miss. 70. Done, Miss.
Done? So what is the answer? You are taking too much time. Beta, at the time of assessment, what you will do? बिल्कुल limited time होगा और आपको सब करना होगा. So what you will do at that time? You have to hurry. Speedy up your work.
Miss.
Yes.
It is 70.
Tell me what is the answer?
Miss,
25.
it is 17.
No.
17. Miss,
No.
17.
No.
Miss, इनके answers लिखने हैं.
Write down that answer. 25 plus 30. How many?
Teacher, 70. Miss, 17. 55 and
Nobody
17.
have done, given me the correct answer. Isma, what about you? 25 plus 30, how many? Zoya, you?
Miss,
How many?
55.
Very good. Now everybody clapping for Zoya. 55. Now look at here. Look at here on the screen. 5. This is the line of unit 1. Below 5 there is 0. So what is going to be the answer over here? यहाँ पर answer क्या आएगा?
Miss, 50.
Now look at here. 5.
5.
Now look at here. 2 plus 3, how many? 2 plus 3, how many? 5. So who is saying me 65 and I don't know what answer आप लोगों ने क्या क्या answer दिए हैं. You forget all the addition. How to do addition? You forget all that thing.
55.
Okay, very good. If you have done it, this is rupees. How many rupees? How many rupees, beta? 55. Now look at here. This is rupees 55. Okay. Now do another sum. This is the sum of subtraction. Now do the another sum. Look at here. 48 minus 31. Now do it. 48 minus 31. First, do the first line, one line, and do the second line, 10 line.
7.
Solve it and write down the answer.
Teacher,
No need to hurry. आराम से solve करें. Solve it by yourself. Beta, all of you needs concentration. Don't look here and there. Just solve your problem. Yes, Fizar, what you have done? I can't see what is written over there. How many? How many, Fizar? I can't see. 17. Okay, now let's see. Anybody else? Okay, wait, Fizar. Fizar, wait. Haan, Ibad, what is the answer? 17. Okay, now let's see, check. 8 minus 1. Now 8 minus 1 is going to be, now look at here.
7.
It is going to be
7.
7. Who is again doing this? Very bad. देखिए मुझे नाम पता है और मैम शाइस्ता को भी नाम पता है, but we don't want to do or disclose it in front of everybody. हम नहीं चाहते कि हम उनको सबके सामने disclose करें. Now it is going to be 7. Okay, now see the next line. 4 minus 3, how many? 4 minus 3, how many? 4 minus 3 is going to be 1. Very good. Is going to be 1. So the answer is 17. Very good. Okay, now do more practice. Do more practice. Now time is going to be over because we need 5 minutes for the recording also. So do more practice. Inshallah. Today I will send you. What? Okay, can I give you one more? और दूं आपको? Okay, I am giving you one more. One more. Addition or subtraction? Addition दूं या subtraction दूं? I will give you addition or subtraction. Addition. Okay. Now solve it. Solve it. Be quick. जल्दी जल्दी solve करें. 5, 3, 2. Okay. And here is going to be. Write it down. Write it down in your copy. Write it down in your copy. What? Leave it. Leave it. 3, then 2, then 0. Now the sign is addition. Okay.
Miss?
Now do it. Do it fast. जल्दी जल्दी करें. चलें. Start. The time is start now. Solve it. Solve it. 2 plus 0, how many? Then 3 plus 2, how many? Then 5 plus 3, how many? Write it down. How many rupees are there? One person has 532 rupees and another one has 320 rupees. If we add together, what will be the answer? Write it down.
852.
Isma, do it beta. No need to worry. परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है कि हमको नहीं आ रहा या देर हो जाएगी और we will not do it. You will do it. I know you can do it. Do it. And do the practice after this block. इस block के बाद practice कीजिएगा. Any day I will take assessment. Your assessment is very near. Now we have done division. Now we have done money. ठीक है ना? We have done the division. We have done money. And you are going to learn tables of 8. Now the time is going out. So, inshallah, tomorrow we will meet again. Same time. Okay? Tomorrow we will do more exercise about addition, subtraction and division. Isma?
I done it.
Okay. What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? Who has done it?
212.
What is the answer? 212. Who said this? Aisha said this? Okay. Sister said this. Okay, who? Raise your hand.
Miss?
I think it's who is Muhammad Talib. Who is Muhammad Talib?
52.
Who is Muhammad Talib? Arshian. Okay, but I have not seen Arshian since many days. Okay, now time is going to be over. Okay, see you tomorrow, same time. Allah Hafiz, do practice and learn table of 8. Allah Hafiz, Allah Hafiz.
Allah
Allah Hafiz.